The practice 2. The diagram shows a trapezoid OABC in which OA is parallel to BC. O is the center of a circle with a radius r centimeters. A, B, and C are on its circumference. Angle OCB equals theta. Let T denote the area of trapezoid OABC. Show that T equals this. Since this area is dealing with sine theta and sine 2 theta, you need to change this trapezoid into triangles. We will connect this OB. We have two triangles. Triangle OCB and OAB. Triangle OCB is an isosceles triangle. This is theta. Since angle AOB and OBC are alternate exterior angles, this is theta. So this T equals area of a triangle OCB plus area of a triangle OAB equals this angle is pi minus 2 theta. We will use the formula area of a triangle equals 1/2 AB sine C. Therefore, the area of triangle OCB equals 1/2 r squared times sine pi minus 2 theta plus for area of a triangle OAB 1/2 A times B times sine theta. Based on these compound angle identities, sine pi minus 2 theta equals sine pi cosine 2 theta minus cosine pi sine 2 theta. Try to remember this diagram for unit circle 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 undefined, 0, negative 1 undefined. CST angle 0 pi over 2 pi 3 pi over 2 2 pi. So sine pi equals 0 times cosine 2 theta minus cosine pi is negative 1 times sine 2 theta. Simplify sine 2 theta. Therefore, for this T equals 1/2 r squared times sine 2 theta plus 1/2 r squared sine theta. Take a common factor outside. Sine 2 theta plus sine theta. Let's go to B. For a fixed value of r, which means r is a constant, the value of t varies as the value of theta varies. Show that t take its maximum value when theta satisfies the equation of this. T takes its maximum value means dt d theta equals 0. Or you can write this down as t prime of theta. Let's use this notation. T prime of theta equals r squared over 2 sine 2 theta plus sine theta, then prime equals r squared over 2 is a coefficient. Sine 2 theta prime equals cosine 2 theta times 2 theta prime based on the chain rule. So we got 2 cosine 2 theta. Derivative of sine theta is cosine theta. We will set up t prime of theta equals 0, which means r squared over 2 cosine 2 theta plus cosine theta equals 0 times 2, both sides, then divided by r squared. Reduce 2 cosine 2 theta plus cosine theta equals 0. Based on double angle formula and this equation, we will change cosine 2 theta into 2 cosine square theta minus 1. 2 times 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 plus cosine theta equals 0. Simplify. 4 cosine squared theta minus 2 plus cosine theta equals 0. Change the order of the term. 4 cosine squared theta plus cosine theta minus 2 equals 0. Let's go to B2. Verify this value of t is a maximum value. There are two ways to do this verification. Either you use sign diagram for the first derivative, or you use the second derivative. Second derivative is preferred because this is easier. T double prime of theta equals T double prime of theta equals the first derivative prime. Since cosine 2 theta prime equals negative sine 2 theta times derivative of 2 theta, chain rule is 2. So we got negative 2 sine 2 theta. Coefficient is this 2. So we got negative 4 sine 2 theta minus sine theta. Let's solve this equation to figure out the value of theta. For cosine squared theta plus cosine theta minus 2 equals 0 by solver. Let's go to scratch pad. We will put in the equation. 4 times parentheses. Go to cosine theta. Then squared plus cosine theta minus 2 equals 0. Change this into radian. Control menu, enter, enter. This lower bound is 0. Upper bound is pi over 2. Enter. If you are using this TI-84 plus, do not directly put equation into equation solver. Go to Y1. 4 times parentheses cosine x squared plus cosine x minus 2. Then quit. Go to Math, upper arrow, enter. Up. Change this into y1. Alpha trace y1. Then enter. Make this estimated value between 0 and pi over 2. Let's use pi divided by 4. Then alpha, enter. We got this angle. Theta equals 0.936. So t double prime of 0.936 equals. We will put this theta into these expressions. -4 sine 2 theta 2 times. Go up, down, then minus sine theta. Enter. -4.63. So t double prime of 0.936 less than 0. T is a maximum at theta equals 0.936. Let's go to C. Given that the perimeter of the trapezoid is 75 centimeters, find the maximum value of t. Let's figure out this perimeter equals OC plus CB plus BA plus AO. This is R. So we got 2R plus CB plus BA. Let's draw the height for this isosceles triangle OCB. Label this is D. Using SOHCAHTOA, we know cosine theta equals CD over R. Cross multiply. CD equals R times cosine theta. CB will be double CD, 2R cosine theta. For the BA, we will draw the height so that we can create a right triangle. We can use SOHCAHTOA E. This angle is theta over 2. Sine theta over 2 equals BE over R. Cross multiply. BE equals R times sine theta over 2. Then BA is a double BE, 2R sine theta over 2 plus 2R sine theta over 2. We will take a 2R outside. 1 plus cosine theta plus sine theta over 2 equals 75. From B, we already got this theta equals 0.936. We plug in to this equation. 2R times 1 plus cosine 0.936 plus sine 0.936 over 2 equals 75. We will use the equation solver to solve R. Since this theta value is not a final answer, we need to use full answer for this theta. First of all, let's store this value. Go up, enter. Control variable. Store into letter A, enter. Then when you type this A, give you this value of theta. Now let's type the equation. Cosine A. You know this A is the value of theta. Control menu. It didn't show math solver. Then you need to check back this equation. To R, you have to put times here. Then do this again. Control menu. Could see this math solver. Then enter, enter, enter. We got this R. Remember that when we have a variable with parentheses, you have to put times. For this TI-84, we know this x is theta. So quit. Type x, enter. Give you the value of theta. We also need to store into A. Alpha math is A. Enter. If you put alpha math, then they give you this value. Then go to this y equals. For y2, you need to type in the equation. Remember, change this equation into equal to 0, 4. 2x times 1 plus cosine A plus sine A over 2 minus 75. Then quit. Go to this math. Upper arrow solver. Go up. Change this into y2. Let's type 5 as the estimated value. Alpha, enter. We got the value for R. 18.3451. Then we need to substitute these values of theta and R into this function to figure out the maximum value of t. T equals 18.3451 squared over 2 times sine 0.936 plus sine 2 times 0.936 equals. Go to calculator. Still, we need to store this value into B. B squared divided by 2 times parentheses sine A plus sine 2A. Then enter. This is the answer. TI-84. Press X, enter. You know this is the value for R. Store this value to B. enter. Then b squared divided by 2 times sine A plus sine 2A enter. 296 for maximum of t. This is the maximum value of t.